Best budget action cameras. I bought and tested these action cameras so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. Whether you're vlogging, adventuring outdoors, or just trying to capture the moment, I know the struggle of finding a good budget option. Here are my top 5 picks that won't break the bank but will still deliver quality. Product number 1, DJI Osmo Action 6 Enhanced Combo. When I first got my hands on the DJI Osmo Action 6 Enhanced Combo, I was immediately struck by its robust design and impressive features. This action camera is a beast when it comes to capturing not just video, but the vibrancy of life in stunning detail. The 1/1.1-inch square sensor is a game changer. It allows for incredible 8K video recording that elevates your vlogs and adventures into cinematic experiences. I took it for a spin during a weekend hiking trip, and I was blown away by the variable aperture ranging from f.2 to f.4. This feature made it easy to adapt to changing lighting conditions, sunny trails to shaded woods, without missing a beat. The quality of the footage was crisp and vibrant, making even the simplest scenes look professionally shot. Product number 2. 4K Mini Wi-Fi Action Camera. The 4K Mini Wi-Fi Action Camera is like the little engine that could. It's incredibly compact, weighing just 1.27 ounces and measuring a mere thumb size, making it perfect for any adventure where space is at a premium. I took this camera mountain biking, and the ability to mount it on my helmet or bike frame was a game changer. The quality of the 4K video at 30 FPS was surprisingly impressive considering its size. The camera captured every twist and turn with clarity, and the colors popped beautifully. One of the standout features is its IPX7 waterproof capability, which allows it to go underwater up to 100 feet. I decided to test this out while snorkeling, and I was thrilled with the results. Crystal clear footage of vibrant fish and coral reefs. Product number 3, 4K Thumb Action Camera. The 4K Thumb Action Camera is another tiny powerhouse that deserves a shout-out. Weighing in similarly at just 1.27 ounces, it's designed for hands-free shooting and is perfect for those spontaneous moments. What I loved about this camera is its magnetic back, which allows it to stick to any metal surface easily. Think of it as your trusty sidekick that's always ready to capture the action. I took this camera on a hiking trip, and it performed admirably, offering waterproof capabilities down to 131 feet. I tested it while kayaking, and the footage was stunning. The camera held up beautifully against splashes and dips in the water. The 4K resolution means you get sharp and vibrant images, which is impressive for such a small device. Product number 4, ODDV 4K 60 FPS Action Camera. The ODDV 4K 60 FPS Action Camera really caught my attention with its dual-screen design. The 2.0-inch touch-sensitive rear screen is user-friendly and makes navigating the settings a breeze. I took this camera on a weekend road trip, and the ability to see what I was recording on the front screen was immensely helpful, especially for capturing selfies and group shots. The video quality is exceptional, with the ability to record at 4K at 60 frames per second, which means you get incredibly smooth motion, especially during fast-paced activities like biking or skateboarding. I was amazed at how steady the footage was thanks to the built-in electronic image stabilization, EIS. This feature really minimizes the shakiness that can come from high-action filming. Product number 5, Mini Body Camera 1080p. The Mini Body Camera 1080p is the epitome of portability. At just $39.99, it's incredibly affordable and can be worn comfortably thanks to its lightweight design. I tested it out while traveling, and the hands-free recording was a lifesaver. I could easily clip it to my shirt or use its magnetic clip to attach it to various surfaces. The video quality is decent, capturing at 1080p, which is impressive for such a small device. I used it to document my daily experiences, from sightseeing to casual outings, and the footage turned out surprisingly clear. The 360-degree rotating clip allowed me to adjust the angle easily, ensuring I got the right shot every time. So there you have it, my top 5 budget action cameras. Each of these options brings something unique to the table, whether it's portability, video quality, or ease of use. At the end of the day, it all comes down to your needs and what you plan to capture. Happy filming!